Alright, so it's a 2000 Road Glide Road King motor in there. Now this bike was a crank no start issue. So this is the crank position sensor. So we are gonna look at these pins in here. 2 pins. So let's get those probed and see what readings we get with this. It's a little tricky, but steady hands, open line. So that means sensor's bad, no reading. And I think these sensors should be like over 1,000 ohms or so, like 1200-ish maybe. Could be wrong. I don't know the exact spec on these, but I know it's at least over 1,000 ish. So open line. Now I did order this new crank sensor, but it is way too short and will not reach. And we're gonna do the exact same thing, test it, see what readings we get. So I'm gonna do this. $11, 53, 52, 50. So that's the reading of ohms, 1150 ohms. So this is a good sensor, but mine is too short, so I'll have to find a new one that is longer for the length I need. And if you guys do have issues with your Harleys, early model ones, or late, with a crank no start, or your bike intermittently shuts off or something like that, definitely start with the sensor, the crank position sensor up in the front by that oil filter here. Just try swapping that out, and hopefully that gets you back on the road and back to riding. So hopefully you guys find this video helpful, and yeah, like and have a good day. Alrighty.